What's going on, you guys? Thank you so much for joining me back on my YouTube channel. I really do appreciate it. Today we're going to be taking the 350Z over to the car wash. It's actually a brand new car wash over here right by my house. I've never been. I'm super excited. The interesting thing is it's like a track car wash, and I think my car's too low to actually go on the track. So we're going to find out and see if I can even do that. If not, we're going to self-wash it at the other wash bay I usually go to, and then we're going to come back to that one because they have like vacuums and stuff that are all brand new and high tech, and I really want to use those. And as you can tell, excuse the stuff, but like look at, there's just dirt and sand. There's just a lot of like gnarly, just road dirt. Your boy likes to drive with the windows down, and when you have the windows down all the time, dirt just appears naturally. So, that's just how it is. But anyways, like I was saying, we're gonna be cleaning this thing the best we can because on Monday, I'm gonna be going and getting the Miata out of the garage. I'm so excited, you guys. This thing is so fun. I mean, it's got amazing torque, it pulls, and it's just, when you're slamming through the gears, like, it just feels like something straight out of Fast and Furious. But the Mazda Miata, 91 Mazda Miata, no power steering, NA 1.6. I mean, it doesn't get more natural and organic than that. So, and I really miss that feeling, honestly. So we're gonna go get the Miata out, and I'm super excited. We're gonna pay the registration on it. I think it's like $90 or something, which isn't too bad. We're gonna wash it, we're gonna drive it around, we're gonna put the top down, and we're just gonna cruise through wine country over here because honestly, I miss it so much. Right now, like I was saying, we're gonna go wash this thing, clean it up, clean the inside, just so, when we wanna go get it every now and then and have our, speed craving cured, we can, and it'll be clean, and we'll be able to get in here and just enjoy the experience. Right now, it's not too bad, obviously, but I just wish it was super clean. Like, look at this. I just glanced over here, and I don't know if you can see this, but like, that's just nasty. That's nasty. So, we're gonna go clean this thing. We gotta get gas right now. My gas light just came on while we were sitting here. Check it out. This is why we're going to get the Miata. I'm tired of being out of gas all the time. All right, let's head to the car wash, clean this thing, and yeah. $3.59 a gallon. I mean, it's not like terrible, like it's not the worst it's been, but it's pretty bad. This town, yo. I don't want to gas it again. I just put gas in here, man. All right, last time. All right, guys, so we're at the car wash right now. As you can tell, interesting thing is we were just in this bay right here, and I only got quarters. The quarter thing is jammed at that bay, so I had to come out here and wait again. But then this guy got in front of me, so now we made it in a bay. Grab my quarters. I'm gonna wash this thing real quick. All right, you guys know how we like to dry it off, a little air dry. We wash it at that car wash, but then we come and dry it and wipe everything down and vacuum at this car wash. Oh wait, that's right, we were gonna try that new one. Right here, oh, I guess I could have turned in there. Right here, Eco Express Car Wash. Brand new, literally brand new, like it opened like 2 weeks ago. I'm gonna let you guys know if this Eco Express car wash is worth. Wait, what's happening? There's a drive-through right here. This drive-through looks like it's literally for the car wash, and then there's a drive-through for like burgers over there. Do you have to wash to use the vacuums? Look at those vacuums, they're so new looking. Let's ask, can we ask? So I'm gonna go this way. This is the exit. I think this is where people are exiting from. And I wonder if I just pull up in here. Oh no, it's literally one way. You cannot get in there unless I... So the conundrum right now is like a lot of these like where you drive your car into it and it takes it on the rack. My car's too low and like it won't go up onto the rack. So I'm just gonna ask this person.
Let me see. I think it is a little too low.
Okay. Would I be able to just use the vacuums and stuff?
Unfortunately, no, because the vacuums come with the wash or else.
Oh, I see. How much is the wash?
The regular wash is $6.
$6? Okay.
But I think, I mean, it's a nice car, don't give me.
Thank you. Yeah, I gotta get bags. Awesome. I just wanted to check. Cool, thank you. You too, I appreciate it. Well, you heard him. It's literally too low, and the vacuums come with the wash, so I can't use the vacuums there either. So we're gonna have to come back in the Miata, but the Miata's convertible top doesn't like latch 100%. I don't even know. I guess we're headed back to the other car wash. And we're back at the car wash we were at originally. It never fails. It always works. All right, so we made it back to this car wash. I'm gonna jump out and vacuum. I think I've got like $3 in quarters and dollar coins. I'm gonna first go ahead and grab all the trash out of here because that's the first thing we gotta do. Good news, just checked the vacuum and it says quarters only. The dollar coins I have will be no use. I have $1 in quarters. It's really not enough time. All right, it's hot. I know it doesn't look hot because I'm wearing a jacket, but no lie, it's 98 degrees outside right now, and I have no idea why I'm wearing a jacket. Whoever designed the GoPro to just leave this like squiggly on your forehead, why did they do that? The ground is super clean, the chairs are clean, the cup holders. I gotta take like a damp rag in there. The only complaint I have with this vacuum is it's $1 per minute, and like a minute goes by so fast when you're vacuuming the floor of your car. I do gotta wipe some stuff down, like look at that dust. See that dust? All right, you guys, so the car looks a whole lot better. Obviously, I'm not completely done. I would like to wipe some of the dust down and stuff. Obviously, you just saw the dust over there. But actually, I just got asked to go to Walmart and grab a can of Red Folgers coffee and some water cups and some coffee cups as well, because I guess there's a wedding at the ranch tonight, so I gotta go get that stuff. So let's go to Walmart right now. I'll take you guys with me and we'll head over to the ranch. We'll drop off the cups and stuff. We'll get some nice walk around of the car now that it's all clean, and then we'll see what we have planned. Oh my God, okay, I got everything. I got the cups, I got the coffee. I was gonna take you in there, but honestly, you didn't even want to be in there. So I just got a last minute text saying that they actually also need 2 giant bags of ice. So we're headed to CVS, we're gonna get some ice, and then we're headed to the ranch. Just pulled up to CVS, I'm gonna run in. I'm gonna see if they even have ice. Last time I was here, they didn't. They had ice, 40 pounds of ice, actually. Let's head to the ranch. I'm exhausted, as you can tell. That thing is still clean. Just made it to the ranch. Drop off this ice and cups and we'll be good. Alrighty.
Hey, what's up, dude?
I'm gonna steal a Coke though. Now for the ice. David! David! Here, I'll come with you 1 sec. What's up, bro?
You didn't bring ice with you?
I did, I got 2. Ice. Boom. Yes. Thanks for grabbing the ice. All right, you guys, so we just left the ranch, dropped off the ice, said hey to everybody, and I figured we would head out and find a cool spot that I've never been to before and film an awesome cinematic. A lot of like rolling hills and stuff. I was noticing where I'm at right now, all these side roads are all like dirt and sand and stuff, and I don't really... So I flipped it back around because when I was on my way back this way, I realized that we passed this green wall of shrubs. Like, look at how tall this is. So we're gonna park right here underneath of it. We're gonna get a pretty awesome video. Started flashing red, it's about to die, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you enjoyed that little cinematic I just put together. This literal shrub bush tree thing is awesome. I've never actually seen it, and I feel like I come through here all the time, so definitely be back here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed it, please drop a thumbs up, drop a comment down below if you have any questions, hit the subscribe button if you're new here. I would really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.